What happens when you stop trying so hard to be productive and start trying to simply be human? In a world where do more and hustle harder never stop echoing in our minds, choosing to slow down feels rebellious. It feels uncomfortable, but it also feels like healing. In this video, I'm sharing what truly happened when I stopped trying to be productive for a week. No long to-do lists, no rushing, no guilt, no pressure to constantly improve myself. Instead, I chose rest, softness, connection, and intentional living. And what I discovered changed everything about how I see success, minimalism, and self-worth. If you've been feeling exhausted, overwhelmed, stuck in burnout, or trapped in the pressure to always achieve more, this gentle, honest video is for you. This is not a productivity vlog. This is a healing journey, a slow living experiment, a minimalist reset for the soul. What you'll experience in this video. What happens emotionally when you allow yourself to slow down? How minimalism helps clear mental noise and reduce pressure. Why rest is productive and essential. The connection between burnout, self-worth, and hustle culture. Learning to listen to your body after years of ignoring it. Letting yourself be still without guilt. How slowing down helps you reconnect with your real self. What I learned about healing from doing less. Why? Being gentle with yourself is powerful. How simple living supports mental and emotional clarity. For 1 week, I chose quiet over chaos, presence over perfection, simple living over stress, and I found the peace I'd been chasing for years. Why I needed this reset. I didn't realize how much pressure I carried every day until I paused. The pressure to accomplish something, to achieve, to stay busy, to keep up, to prove myself. But constantly striving disconnected me from myself. I wasn't living, I was performing. And like many of us, I reached a point where my mind, body, and heart whispered the truth. You're tired. You need rest. Stopping productivity for a week wasn't laziness. It was healing. It was choosing myself. It was remembering that being alive is more important than being efficient. Minimalism as emotional healing minimalism isn't about owning nothing. It's about removing the pressure to be everything all the time. By simplifying my routines, my space, and my expectations, I created room to breathe again. Minimalism helped me slow down, soften the pressure I put on myself, reduce anxiety and overwhelm, reconnect with my inner peace, find joy in small, meaningful moments. Sometimes, the most productive thing you can do is pause and let your nervous system recover. If you've been feeling burnt out, you're not alone. You're not failing. You're not behind. Your body is asking for care. Your heart is asking for stillness. Your mind is asking for a break. This video will remind you that you don't need to earn rest. You don't need to justify slowing down. You don't need to feel guilty for choosing yourself. You deserve softness. You deserve peace. You deserve time to simply be. If you're watching this because you're exhausted, overwhelmed, or tired of hustling through life, I hope this video helps you breathe again. I hope it reminds you that slowing down is not a failure, it's a homecoming. You don't need to be productive to be worthy. You're allowed to rest, you're allowed to reset, you're allowed to live softly. Welcome to this healing, simple living journey.